Is your iPad locked by your school? Do you want to know how to remove device management from your school iPad? Or how to have an unsupervised managed iPad? This video will show you the safest way to remove device management from your school. Of course, there is an official way. The safest way is always the official one. You can ask the support team or company that manages your device to remove it from their system. Once they do that, you can reset your iPad normally, but if they don't help you, let's move on. The second method is the factory reset. Follow the steps Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPad and erase all content. But here's the problem. This will erase your data, but it doesn't remove the supervision or restrictions. And now, the methods that really works. AnyUnlock. With AnyUnlock, you can remove MDM without username or password, skip the remote management screen and other locks. Let's see how it works. In here, I have a locked iPad. Let's unlock it together. The first thing you are gonna do is to go to the official iMobie website and download AnyUnlock. Once installed on your computer, open the program and you will see different functions. In our case, we are going to pick Bypass MDM. All we're gonna do is connect the iPad with a USB data cable, and when the software recognizes it, you will see two options. This one is when you cannot access the settings screen, and the Remove MDM Lock when you can access the setting and see the MDM profile. We are gonna pick the first option. Make sure you are on the correct screen. Then click Unlock, confirm, and you will see the process start. It takes about 2 minutes, so be patient. Your iPad will begin restoring, but don't worry, this won't erase your data. It's just restoring to remove the MDM lock. Once finished, the software will confirm that the restriction has been removed. Your iPad will restart. It's gonna go through the setup screen and then welcome you back. Now you can use your iPad normally without the MDM lock. This way, in just a few clicks, you can completely unlock your iPad when it's restricted by an institution. What is even better is that this program works with any Apple products, not just iPads. I've included the download link in the video description so you can try it yourself. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching till the end. I see you in the next episode.